Hello everyone, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to create investment declaration in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee, and password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to employee. Then click on investment declaration, which is the menu of payroll. Then click on create button. In order to create investment declaration in the system, just click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open here. Here you will going to select the financial year for which you are declaring this investment declaration. For example, here I am selecting 2018-19. After selecting the financial year, here you will in section 80C you will enter your proposed amount. Likewise, you will enter the proposed amount of all the lines or all the sections. Here you can give the remarks. If there is any income from any other sources, so you can add here. For example, here I am writing the income source as part-time business or part-time job. Here you can enter the proposed amount, the income of the source, proposed income of the source. Here all the TDS calculation will be done. No need to enter anything from here. Here you can add attachments if you want to add any attachment related to any document, just by clicking on attachment here. After entering all the details in the system, just click on save button. Here, if the same investment declaration is already created of that particular employee in the system, then the system will give this warning that you cannot declare two investment in a year. So in order to process it further, I'm just changing it so that I can show you how you will process it further. Now click on submit for approval button. Now this person is itself the payroll manager, that's why he is able to see these two buttons. Or the employee is not able to see these two buttons, he will only see the awaiting approval state. Payroll manager will approve and refuse this particular investment declaration form. This is how you will do the investment declaration in ERP.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.